what it is. What's up? Hey YouTube, it's your girl Simone. I'm coming back at you with another video. Today we have a trying food video. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna title it, but basically I was hanging out with my cousin this weekend and we passed this supermarket that happened to be a Hispanic supermarket. So I decided to go in and check out and see what they had, and I found a lot of cool things. So I'm gonna try them out on camera and tell you guys what I think. When we first walked in, it was all fruit. It was like a fruit aisle, and I saw this little guy right here. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it'll pop up somewhere, okay? Okay, here's what it looks like. Oh, it looks pretty nasty. So I'm guessing you're supposed to cut it open and eat the inside. So we're starting big, okay? People are probably gonna be like, girl, you don't know what that is? No. Oh my God, it tastes like a grape. Oh, there's a seed inside. Not too bad. Okay, there's also these things. These little shrimp, but I'm gonna save these for last. Kept walking, and then we stumble upon the Holy Grail, the candy aisle. Okay. If you didn't know, now you know. I'm addicted to candy. Candy is like my thing. It's my zhish, okay? So, let's go ahead and start with the candy. I don't even know what this is. It's like, looks like a fruit roll-up. Like, fruit roll-up kind of thing. Watermelon flavored. Let's go ahead and try it. Oh, they're small. They're really small. Oh, this is cute. It's like a mini airhead. Let's see. Not bad. It's like spicy watermelon. Okay, I can get down with this. Next we have these little crazy head things. I've actually had these before, but maybe some of you guys have never seen them. So they basically come like this. Take the top off. Huh. And you basically just kind of push it up like push pop. That's what they call it, like crazy head. Comes out like this. Okay, and you just eat it. This is good. We have these cucumber flavored cups. I got these thinking of Natalie. She really likes cucumber and salt. So let's go ahead and try them. It's like little jello shooters. Cute. Okay, so let's peel the packaging. Ew. It's gooey. Looks like snot. So I'm just gonna squeeze it. Ew. Tastes like mint. Ugh. First of all, it's gonna be a no for me. Oh. I didn't like that. Okay, next we have this powder, chili powder with lemon. Okay, this is like something you put on like fruit and vegetables, kind of like tahini. So I'm gonna take it and pour some in my hand. Oh yeah, where's the fruit? Yeah, this is really good. I'll be using this on some fruit in the near future. And I'll probably be giving a few to Natalie because this is right up her alley. Next we have these little rope things. Okay, I've tried these before, but I had to pick them up because they're like one of my favorites. The best. Okay, there's this little sauce that they give you with it. I usually don't use the sauce, but for the sake of the video, let's try it out. Flavored hot liquid candy. Okay. It stinks. But without it, amazing. Last but not least, I don't know if you just eat them like this, but I'm just gonna try it like straight up. Okay. Ooh, they stink. It smells like turtle food. It's my little friend. His name is Ernest. And he's about to get eaten. You're probably supposed to take the head off, I'm guessing. I don't know. Why would I want to eat a shrimp head? I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to eat them like this. Comment down below if you know what these are for, or if you're supposed to eat them like this. I don't think so. Oh my god. It's hard as hell. What the heck? Okay. It's actually not bad. I know. You're thinking I'm weird. I get it often. Okay, so that was the end of that video. That's all the snacks I picked up. I'm probably going to do more videos like this. Going to go to different stores in the area. If you think of something you want me to try, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and thank us later.